you know, that was just a kind of, probably you can say, I just want to share with you so that you guys are motivated, right? In you guys, right? Uh, you know, stay on the track, right? And then just I want to keep your jaws high, very, I want to keep your jaws very high, sir, right? So this is my, job, that I'm doing for you. And now, guys, let's understand one thing, right? That now we have to start on the, solution approach, guys. Let's start on that part now. So, guys, if you remember, who can summarize what we did yesterday? Who can summarize what we did yesterday? I think we were going through some document and we completed one part of it. So can, someone, okay, so now Prakash Gaur is saying, so we understood step one. Yes, guys, you're right. We understood the, step one. And what was the step one? Let me, share that document with you. Okay. So guys, this is, the document, right, that we are going to have. Okay, this is the document, guys. We'll go through it, and just a minute, guys. Let me check my audio level. Okay, it's already high. So guys, please, confirm that you can hear me very clearly. You can hear me very clearly, guys. Okay, that's good. Okay, cool, guys. ठीक है. So सबसे पहले हमें यहाँ पर so just a minute. Okay, yeah, thank you. So guys, first of all, yesterday, Sylvester reiterated the problem statement. And what was the problem statement? The problem statement is like that there is a client, right? And that client is working with the Indian Army, right? And he is actually leading, some of the key positions in the Indian Army, particularly related to the terrorism, right? And, countering the terrorism. And he approached us, right? And we sat with him for 1 month, understood his requirement. He shared some kind of data with us which cannot be shared with you guys, and that's why what happened, we salted out that data. The salting means you change some, something into that data that doesn't look like a real data, right? So we salted the data, right? And to, after salting the data, we shared this data with you, right? And this data is from Maryland University, guys, as Sylvester told you yesterday, right? And that data contains all the records of, terrorist attacks that has happened in the world, including India, right? So this is going to, serve as a data source for us, and we have to find out a lot of analytics and visualization from that data source, right? And that data was in an Excel sheet, right? And it contains a lot of columns if you see into that, right? But we are only going to work with 23 columns, guys, right? We are only going to work with 23 columns. That was the case, right? And now, guys, after understanding that problem statement, right, what was the first step? Doing the analysis, guys, doing the analysis. That is very important, right? And who does the analysis? The guy who is called as, a project management consultant, right? The guy who sits with a client, have multiple meetings, understanding his or her requirement very clearly, right? And then designing a document, right? And in that analysis, we understand the complete requirements that, how we are going to do it. So guys, that analysis phase is already done, right? And in this phase, guys, in this phase, what we will understand that how come we actually filtered out the 23 columns. Obviously, there is a Python code available for it. We would use Pandas library, right? That is a very popular library for data analytics, guys. We'll come to that coding part later on, right? So that was there. Now, guys, we have to start from the step 2, which is a design phase. What do you mean by design phase? So design phase is a step 2, guys, right? Design phase, right, is a step 2 where the Sylvester will start for today. And basically, what is the purpose of the design phase? After you understand the problem, after you do your analysis in the step 1, now you need to figure out, right? Right, you need to figure out that how the things will look to the client, how things will look to the client, how the client will use your software, how he will find the controls, how you will show the reports to him, how you will show the analytics to him, how he will, see them on the screen, guys. It may be a mobile screen, it may be a computer screen, it may be a tablet screen, right? Will it be a desktop application? Will it be a web application? Will it be something else? Would it be a command, based tool only? So that comes in the design phase, guys, right? And this is how, this is sometimes called as like, creating a wireframe, how the UI will look like, how the UX will look like, right? UI means user interface. UX means user experience. What do you mean by UI? Right? The UI means how the background color would be. What would be the background image? What would be the font size? What would be the font color? What would be the different color combinations? Everything, right? That is known as UI. And what is the UX? When the user or when the client will use the UI, how he or she will find it. Will it be easy to use or will it be a too complex? Right? That defines the UX, guys. That defines the UX. And I think nobody is interested to use an application which has a complex user experience, complex UX. That to use that application, you need to refer some manuals. Nobody is going to download, nobody is going to use that application. Right, guys? Any application have to have a very simple user experience, guys. Right? I just need to enter my mobile number and WhatsApp is, just started working. That's it. It's a user experience, right? So, and a lot of application you may have seen, right? You download it from the Play Store. They will require a lot of data, right? And give me your name, give me your email ID, give me your mobile number, give me your that, give me blah, 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 right? This is not a very good user experience, actually, right? The people live in between, actually, right? A lot of people will just uninstall it, right? So this is how you understand what the UI and the UX is. So in the second step, guys, in the design, right, that now how the UI or UX will look like, right? So what we do in the first step, guys, in the design phase I'm talking about. In the design phase, you take just pen and paper, and you just create some wireframes that how my application will look like. हम हाथ से कुछ sketch बना लें, right? We just do some doodle, right? Without writing code, we are just using a pen and paper, right? Or a whiteboard or a marker, and we are just, and there are some tools also available, right? Online tools are also there to do that. So wireframing, we have to understand. So guys, today we'll see into the wireframing, and then, you will see what kind of applications you will get at end of the development cycle, at end of this internship. So today you will get very excited when you see those images, right? When the Sylvester will show you. So I'm now, putting a control to Sylvester. I think he is available with us now. He was on travel actually today, and that's why we had to change the timings for today's class. And then we are sorry about that, guys, because we know that a lot of people have a predefined schedule, and sometimes, having a change that may cause inconvenience to a lot of people. But this timing is only for today, guys. From tomorrow, we'll be back on 7:30, right? So, guys, now can we start with the design phase? Sylvester is ready now.
Sir,
Okay. So, Sarji, are you
yeah,
there?
yeah, I'm there, sir. Guys, sorry for that. I had some really urgent work and I had gone out of town and became late. Okay, I was scheduled to come by 6 o'clock, but I just came in at 9:15 just now back to the town. Okay, sorry for that. Okay,
So,
so do you want to make me the host, sir, or?
I can make you host, no
Yeah,
issues.
yeah.
Just a minute.
So I'll make you back the co-host.
Host, yeah. It's,
Yeah, thank you, sir. Okay, so good evening, guys and gals. Yeah, and again, sorry for everybody. Okay, so I had to change the time for today's meeting. Okay, hope you people can understand. So, first, let me know, guys, how many people have done my homework. That's very important. कितने लोगों ने मेरा होमवर्क किया है? Can you say yes and no, guys? How many people? Ishita is saying I did, Tanya is saying I did, Nitesh is saying did, Mohit is saying yes, sir. There are a lot of people who are saying yes. Guys, I want to be very frank to you people. If you people don't do the homework on time, you lose interest, guys. You lose the interest. And what will happen? After 1 or 2 days, you will stop attending the meetings. And I don't want that, guys. I want you people to learn something. I want you people to learn how a project is made in the industry. So you need to do the homework diligently every day. That's important. And if you see, guys, I have designed the program in such a way that I give you small homeworks every day. It's not a big deal, guys. If you can steal 1 hour from your busy schedule, that's enough. Okay? So, guys, I'm going to teach you the next part today. Okay? And the next part is very important, guys, and very interesting also. Okay? And in a similar way which I taught you the solution approach, I'll teach you a new technique today. Once you people read the problem statement, what you need to do, guys, is, guys, I'm stopping the chat. I think so. I don't want people to chat with me. Try to concentrate on the screen here. So in the next phase, guys, it's known as the design phase. You people remember I was talking to you people that I am teaching you an agile methodology. Okay? And in that methodology, agile, what happens is the first is the design phase. And the second is what? The first is the analysis phase. The second is what? The design phase. And guys, this design phase again is a very complex phase. And you people as a fresher, it's very difficult for you people to do a design on this thing. Okay? So guys, can you people confirm me? I'm opening the chat. I have shared my screen and my audio also. Is my screen visible to you people? You people can see the main UI reference. A lot of people are saying, Dishita is saying, Ishita is saying. Good, good. Thank you, Blue. Sir, is it visible? Yugandhar sir, can you see?
yeah, it's visible.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So guys, what I'm trying to teach you, I'm stopping the chat again, okay? What I'm trying to teach you is in the second phase, that's the design phase, you need to dream about the project. Guys, concentrate on my words. In the design phase, what you need to do is you need to dream about the project. That is, let's imagine that your project is completed and you need to make a visual interpretation in your mind that how will my client use the software what you people are designing. Did you people get me what I'm trying to say? आप लोगों को सोचना पड़ेगा, आप लोगों को एक ड्रीम लेना पड़ेगा. You need to take a dream that when I complete my project, how will my client use my project? If you people are able to dream that, it becomes very easy for you people to design the design phase. And guys, as Yogendra sir told you also, in the design phase, the deliverable is known as a wireframe. So if you can see on my screen also, I have created a document for you that's known as the wireframe. So guys, what I am visualizing in my mind is that when my application opens, I need to have two tabs. Can you see? One is known as the map tool and the other is known as the chart tool. Guys, concentrate on what I'm trying to tell you. When anybody opens my application, I want to have two tools, map tool and chart tool. And when anybody clicks on the map tool, it should have sub tabs, world and data, India, that is world map tool and India map tool. What will come in this blank area? I will tell you guys. Don't worry, have patience. Okay. And when anybody clicks on the chart tool, okay, when anybody clicks on the chart tool, he should again see two tabs. One is the world and one is India. This is known as the main UI interface, what I have mentioned in my document. That anybody, when he clicks and opens your project, your application, your script, what he sees? He sees two tabs, map tool, chart tool. And guys, I have selected this. This means when anybody clicks on the map tool, he should see two options, world and India. And when anybody clicks on the chart tool, he sees two options, world and India. So guys, I'm opening the chat again. Can you people tell me, is this aligned with the project problem statement? Is it clear to you people? Can you people give me a clarification on the chat? A lot of people are saying yes. Good, good. So I think so they are able to visualize that. So now guys, what is important now is what should happen or what should be seen when anybody clicks on world or anybody clicks on India. Is it clear guys? So I'm trying to teach you guys that you people need to dream that. Okay? So guys, see what is happening now. Can you people see now? What is there? So guys, this is the main map tool interface. When anybody clicks on the world map or India map, I'm giving two examples for it. This interface is for the world map. So guys, just see. Please select the month. Please select the date. Please select the type of attack. Please select the region. Please select the country and please select the city. Guys, be very clear. if I do not select anything from this drop downs in the UI, I should see the world map like this. Can you people interpret what is happening? This world map is showing what? 1,90,000 data and mapping that on the what? Latitude and longitude. For how many years? So guys, see, I have a slider here, which is my year slider from what? 1970 to 2018. It's not written here, but the data is from 2070 to 2018. And what is shown on the map, guys? All of these small points, guys. What is these? These are mapping to your incident. So guys, can anybody tell me how many points are displayed on the map? The chat is open, guys. Can you people tell me how many maps are on the map? The points are there. This pink points. Yes, Anusha is saying 1.9 lakhs, 1,90,000. Mitesh is saying, yes, you people are right. And guys, if I filter the country as India and the region as South Asia, you people know why? Because India comes in the region which is known as what? South Asia. Rohit, it is not infinite. Only those points are shown on the map which are present in my database. Okay? Tanya, I'm not talking about how to calculate. Please, important. I'll teach you how to do that. Don't worry, guys. Okay? And guys, just let me know if somebody selects India. Okay? Zara, this is the incident what is being happening. So just see. If I select India, what will happen? It should only show me the data for what? India. Is it clear? Guys, give me on the chat if the map tool concept is clear to you. Guys, on the chat, is this clear? What the client is expecting? That if he does some changes in the UI, that is, if he does some changes in the drop down, what should affect? It should affect the map what is shown there. Anu, no, I'm giving you a reference design. If you people want, you can you can make your UI different also, no issues. Okay. So guys, what is important here is if I do some changes in my drop down. So see guys, what is the variables here? I can select my month, I can select my date, I can select the type of attack, I can select the region, I can select the country, I can select the city, and I can also select the year. Okay, so guys, can you people tell me how many variable values are there in this UI? It's a question to you people, guys. How many variables are there in this UI? Give me a count and I'll come to know that you people. Somebody said 7, somebody said 23, somebody said 6. Guys, those people who are saying 23 and 6 are wrong. How many variables are there? I can change the month, I can change the date, I can change the attack type, I can change the region, I can change the country, I can change the select city, I can also change what? The year. So guys, there are 7 variables here. Did you get it? So guys, give me a confirmation of the chat. Is this concept clear to you? There are 7 variables through which I can change my data. And if I do any change there, it is very important, guys. If I do any change here, what should reflect? It should reflect the map here. Is it clear, guys? अगर मैं कुछ भी change करता हूँ ये 7 variables में, It should change what? The information which is shown where? On my map. Okay, and I have given an example also. If somebody says South Asia, somebody says India, this is the map it should be shown. Why? You people can see now that only that data is getting highlighted on the map, which is specific to what? Your India as a country. Is it clear? This is the expectation of the client from the map tool. Okay, so guys, is this concept clear to you? If I select the world, I should get something like this. If I click on India, I should get something like this.
Hey guys, Sylvester has got some connectivity issue. He's just fixing that. So just wait for it. 2-3 minutes only, I think. So, just hold on, guys. Okay. So just a minute, guys. So guys, Sylvester is back. I'm just putting him back on. Okay. So your host now, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, I lost the connection. Okay. So guys, is this concept clear to you that how the UI should be for the map tool? Okay. So let me share my screen again, and you people should be able to see my screen again. Good. So guys, can you people tell me now, is this concept clear? Is the map tool clear? Akshat is not required for latitude and longitude. That's not the requirement of client. You need to use region, country and city to mark that. Is it clear, Akshat? I do not need to create for latitude and longitude. People will select from region, country and city. Is it clear? Akshat Jain. Good. Okay. So now guys, I'll move to the next part. The next part was what? The next part was the chart tool. So guys, what the client want is, client want to see such a UI. Guys, I'm stopping the chat now. Concentrate on the screen what I'm trying to say. What the client wants is, on the x-axis, he wants what? The year when the incident happened. On y-axis, he wants that how many incidents happened. Guys, concentrate on what I'm trying to say. On x-axis, he is marking the year, and on y-axis, he is marking what? The number of incident. Okay? And you need to have a drop down, guys, which says what type of graph you want to see. For example, this drop down needs to have these 7 values: country attack, region, target nationality, target type, terrorist organization, type of attack and weapon type. That means, guys, if I select country attacked, that means what? This graph will tell me that these different colors represent different countries. Let's imagine this dark blue color represents what? India. So what it's saying? It's showing a graph of India, that how many events happened or incidents happened for India as a country. And guys, if I select this as region, what this graph will show? This graph will show according to region. That means now these will map to the region. Is it clear? And guys, if I select this as target nationality, what will happen? This will tell me the information for target nationality. Similar target type, similar terrorist organization, similar type of attack, and similar for weapon type. So these are the 7 types of charts what you need to make in what? In your chart section. That is my chart 2. So guys, is this concept clear for the chart tool? I have explained you the map tool. Can you people confirm me on the chat whether this concept is clear to you?
And now, guys, when you start developing the project, you will see these, graphs and charts in reality, that how come your code has been generating the beautiful visualizations, beautiful analytics of this, a terrorist data, right? For world as well as for India. This is going to, a great learning for you guys, and I think now, a lot of people must have gone crazy when they see such kind of graphs in their project. Guys, do you agree with me or not? That yes, they want to do, a world-class visualization in their project also, that is there. The rest is, sir.
Yeah. So guys, all these graphs which I have shown you is my dream. What I want the client as an expectation of his. And guys, if you people want to make such a graphics or such a UI, these all graphs and UIs is made in a language or a framework which is known as Dash. DASH dash. And guys, when we start coding and when I start teaching you people, I will be teaching you people how to make all this in the Dash. Is it clear, guys? So guys, give me a confirmation that the visualization or the wireframe for the map tool and the chart tool is clear to you people? On the chat, can you people give me a clarification whether this concept is clear to you? I have opened the chat for you people now. Just let me know. Or if you have any questions, please put on the chat. So a lot of people are saying yes, Ishita is saying yes, Tanya is saying yes.
So,
Nitish?
guys, there is no text. There is no text. If you say yes or no, actually, right? You can say no if you don't understand. You can say yes, right? But I think it is always better to be involved into the communication, right? Always better to be involved in the communication. So whenever there is a request coming to you regarding a feedback, please do that, right? Please do that, because that is the only way we can make it interactive, kind of a program for you. uh, and we also understand that you guys are involved, right? So whenever you are requested, you know uh, please respond in the chat, or using so whatever feedback is there, right? Yeah, please, Sarji.
Okay, so guys, now, so there's a question from Akhilesh. How will the user know which color to represent? Guys, I'll teach you, Akhilesh. Okay, we can represent colors for different attack type. Is it clear, Akhilesh? We can do that. Okay. Rohit Sharma is asking here on x-axis and the number of incidents in y-axis. You are right, Rohit. This is the trend. And Kanish is saying, sir, which software we had deployed this project? We have used Python as a language, Kanish. Okay, is it clear? Saksham, yes, you can make a pie chart, but pie chart is not required here. That's not the requirement of the client, Saksham. I'm trying to explain the client expectation. This is Saksham. This is not your college project in which you decide what the user wants. The client will decide what he wants, and this is what the client has decided. Saksham, is this clear? Yes, yes, Tanya, we are going to use Anaconda for that. Okay. Amia Part is asking, sir, from where do we get the maps? We'll be creating these maps, Amia, using a dash tool in framework in Python. Is it clear, Amia? We won't be deploying it, Kanish. We'll be using a script for that. Saksham, what you want is not required in this project. What the client wants is required in the project, Saksham. ये आपका कॉलेज का प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है जहाँ तुम डिसाइड करोगे, सक्षम. जो क्लाइंट डिसाइड करेगा वो हमको देना है. Is it clear, Saksham? This is not your choice. This is not a college project. Okay? Is it clear? Santosh, there are 7 things. See, these are the 6 things, and 7th is the year. Santosh, is this clear? There are 7 variables. 6 variables are shown in drop down, and the 7th variable is shown in the slider. Santosh, can you confirm me? Okay, good. Okay, so now guys, today's homework, I think so. Now today's session, after seeing the wireframe, the problem statement should be very clear to you. Yes, Dipshika, you can do that, but we won't be doing that now. Okay, so now it will be very clear for you people that what is the problem statement. So guys, today's homework is very simple and same now. Okay, I want you people to read the 3 documents again. Guys, please listen to me carefully. Today's homework, you people need to read 3 documents: the problem statement, the solution approach, and your wireframe. And now guys, once you people have known how the output should be, the client expectation, Now when you read the problem statement, it would be crystal clear to you people what exactly the client is asking for. Is it clear, guys? So are you people excited? Just let me know. Sandeep is saying yes, Tanya is saying yes, Preeti is saying yes. Whether explain, you don't worry in the coming days. Okay.
So guys, let me tell you a true story. And the true story is the crux of that story is this, guys. You know, this 30 days learning, right? This 30 days learning would be much higher than your, you know, a 4 years learnings in the college. इस 30 दिन में जो तुम सीखने वाले हो ना, जो कॉन्सेप्ट जो यहाँ पे तुम सीखोगे, वो तुमने 4 साल में कभी नहीं किए होंगे. दैट आई कैन गारंटी यू गाइस, right? The kind of new, you know, pattern designs, the kind of new ways, the kind of understanding the problem statement and have, have an implementation, guys. You have done toy programming in your college, you have done toy projects in your college. This is going to be something next level, guys, and this is going to be a very, very good addition to your skill set, guys, right?
So I think so a lot of people are excited for today. Somebody has asked me, Rohit Sharma sir from Jalgaon, can we extend it till 10:30? Rohit, okay. I want you people to go slowly in the coming first days. Are you people with me, Rohit? Okay. मुझे कोई ट्रेन नहीं पकड़नी ना आपको ट्रेन पकड़नी है रोहित. Okay. I want that everybody should be able to make the project. और वो जब ही possible होगा. It's only possible when I give you small tasks every day, Rohit. Is it clear, Rohit? Okay. So you follow what I'm trying to say. I have spent 3 days with you people to explain you the project or the problem statement. It was very important for me, and I shared 3 documents with you people: the problem statement, the solution approach, and wireframe. Just imagine, guys, if I would have not shared this 3 information, would you be able to make a project with the client saying, I want, because you people remember on the first day to me, I want insights for terrorism data. अगर मैं आपको ये 3 approach नहीं बताता, you would have not been able to make this. Are you people with me? Yes, Rohit Pawar, the chart tool is similar to a line graph only. You people are right, Rohit. Okay. So Prakash is saying repeat the homework, guys. Okay. So guys, the homework is very simple today. You need to read 3 documents for me again: the problem statement, the solution approach, and the wireframe. That's it. And what you people need to do now, you people need to know the problem statement document correctly now. Is it clear? Prakash, Gaur, this is the homework for today. So guys, just let me know in the chat, is the homework clear to you? So Abhinay is saying clear, sir. Krishna is saying yes, sir. Deepshika is saying yes. Good. Manikanta is saying yes. Good. So do you want to say anything? I think so we are done for today. I think so we are able to explain the wireframe.
So I think now people will have a more clarity in their mindset, and I think tomorrow we can complete the entire solution approach, right? So What is your plan, Sylvester sir? Do you want to complete the solution approach tomorrow, or like
Yes,
will you?
so I think so. I'll take a review tomorrow if the problem statement is clear to everybody. Okay, and then I will start with the coding tomorrow, guys. That's important now. Okay. So, guys, Prakash, you can put your question tomorrow. Hold it for today. Okay, and read the document again. You'll get a lot of things clarified today, Prakash. Is it clear, Prakash? Good. So guys, if you people have any question, just put it on my chat. Otherwise, I'll end the meeting then. Thank you, Prakash. Thank you, Nadil. Thank you, Mohammad Ansari. Thank you, Vineet. Guys, if you have any question, you can put it on my chat. See you tomorrow, guys. Yashwant, Prabhu. Guys, okay. So, guys, good night, everybody. Good night, Stephen. Okay. See you tomorrow, and hope everybody comes tomorrow by reading the 3 documents. Okay. Bye. Good night. See you tomorrow, same time.